Yeah, so Tim's School of Fish. So I was watching this video. He was talking really good about this flashlight, and he threw in a promo code. And when I looked it up to buy it, I went through his link, threw in the promo code for the discount. The company was already having a discount, and I scored big on this light. So let's check it out. From my other videos, you guys know that I've been liking this Coast. This is the one that's been doing the job for me. I like it a lot. It's got a really big circumference area that works way better for me than my little lights that are like pen lights that just kind of give me a little circle of vision. This one lights up everything. But let's take a look at this. See if we got something to EDC here. That's a big box. Well, here we go. This is the Brinyte E18. And looks pretty cool. Brinyte Technologies. There's a little thing there if you guys need to do that. I don't really know how to do that stuff. Hey, it looks pretty smooth, everybody. Looks pretty smooth. It's light. Have to throw some batteries in it. It's got a little area there for like a little lanyard. Let's see what type of batteries it needs, huh? I thought it was rechargeable, but oh, maybe the batteries are rechargeable. Yeah, look, there's some goodies back here, guys. There's some goodies back here. This is the wow, look at that. 3000 milliamps, 3.7 volt. Let's throw that bad boy in. I'm digging this package so far. There's a little, the spring is nice, you know. Comes with that little lanyard. Let's throw that on because I like these little things. I think they come in pretty handy. Nifty. Nifty, as they say in some places. We could always do it another time. All right, we'll do that another time. It's got the charging cable. Woo! It even burned my hand. Man, that's awesome. Let's go check it out outside. Yeah. Come on, man. Let's go. All right, so here's my stump that I usually use for nighttime knife videos. So, let's see if we can cycle through. 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 cycles, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! That's cool. Let's see what my Coast does. There's my Coast, which is a big circumference area. Remember how I told you guys? So my Coast will go from 1, 2, 1 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 2, 3. So just 3 on the coast. And we'll go back to the Brinyte. And in the dark with my finger, I'm trying to find the button. And it's not that easy to find. See, I'm kind of struggling there. Here? No. There it is. Okay, so it gives a pretty big circumference area. Okay, let's go back to the coast. Yeah, that Brinyte really throws some power in that direction, huh? My coast. But it is a little easier to find the button on my coast than it is to find the button on this Brinyte. So let's go over what it says here. Turbo, you have 1200 to 550 lumens for a runtime of 2 to 110. High is 50, 450 output, mids 115, lows 35, moon is 5, strobes 1200, SOS is 200, runtime. Damn, moon you can run 13 hours, huh? Max intensity is going to be 12,500. Impact resistant. Protection level, beam distance is 220 meters. Dimensions, weight is 2.3 ounces for us here in the US. And that 2.3 ounces ain't bad. Let's see, so my coast comes in just a tad bit lighter. And I think, it's mostly a big battery that you got in there. It looks like you got that. See, once I get used to this button, I'll know where it's at, And I can't say, oh, look, I knew there was a charging port on this sucker. There it is. Sweet. Can't beat that. Yeah. I like it. I like it. It feels good. That comes off so you can flip it around if you need to, I'm sure. Put it down here if you want to throw it on throw it something like that if you need to. Of course, throw it like this. You can put it on your ball cap. Let's see how it works on a ball cap. If you had to, you could do that. Sure enough. This goes in the pocket really easy. Yep. In and out of my pocket really easy. I know you guys didn't see that, but I'm telling you guys, it really did. And this clip holds on pretty well. It's not like some where it pops off, and you feel like you're going to lose it in your pocket at any time. I gotta tell you guys, I'm happy with it. I think altogether, what is it, like an $80 flashlight? I ended up getting it for like around $36. Maybe now's the time for you guys to go check it out. Go over to, I'll put the link down to Tim's School of Fish. I should check for you guys before I put out this video to see if his code is still working for you guys, man. Other than that, it's a pretty good purchase. I'm pretty satisfied. Let's see. tend to use this EDC gear that my friend Louie at Arizona EDC hooked up for me. So let's see if this fits in there. Oh, look at that. Not bad. Even if I turned it around, looks like that fits just well too. I think it'd probably work better like this though. But, so I got my knife here, I got my flashlight here. Can't beat that. It's good size. I'm gonna say go. I'm gonna say if you guys want something that's gonna work for you, that certainly feels like it's gonna work for me, mount a jar.